Hi friends, I am Nikita and I am here with the session on why, what and how. The topic for today is, do you know why we hiccup? Hiccups happen when the muscles in our throat and the chest suddenly tighten. This normally occurs when we eat or drink too much or too fast. Most hiccups disappear in a few minutes, but sometimes an attack may last for several hours. Although hiccups usually stop eventually, everyone seems to have a favorite cure. Cures include a sudden shock, holding their breath and trying to sneeze. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.